If your C drive is always running low on disk space in Windows 11 or 10, don't worry. Sometimes junk files and temporary files piles up, and this can slow down your computer. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps on how to clean your C drive to free up space and make your computer faster. So let's begin.
To do that, first of all, right click on Start and click Run. Then type prefetch and press Enter. Now here you see many temporary and unnecessary files that needs to be deleted. And to delete these files, first of all, hold Ctrl+A to select all files. Then hold Shift, then press the delete button to permanently delete the files without going through the recycle bin. Click Yes to proceed. If some of the files cannot be deleted, just keep them.
Again, right click on Start and then Run. Then type temp and press Enter. Now click on any folder and hold Ctrl+A to select all files. Then hold Shift and press Delete to permanently delete the files. Click on Yes and tick Do this for all current items. Then click Skip. Do that again. If some of the files are left behind and cannot be deleted, that is fine. After, close this window and right click on Start and then Run. Now type %temp and press Enter. Click on any folder and hold Ctrl+A to select all files. Then hold Shift and press Delete to permanently delete the files. Click on Yes and tick Do this for all current items. Then click Skip. Do that again. If some of the files are left behind and cannot be deleted, that is fine. Again, click on Search and type Disk Cleanup and run the app. Then click OK. Here, I'll suggest you checkmark all items. Like I said, the purpose is to remove bad registry, cache files, temporary files, unwanted files, and also to free up disk space. Then click on Clean Up System Files and click on OK. Again, tick any file that is unticked. And click OK. Then delete. So all these junks, bad registry, temporary and cache files will be deleted.
Again, click on Start and type this PC and click on it. Now right click on your drive C
And click on Properties
and click Tools, then Optimize. Now here, make sure you select your drive C, and you can see the drive C needs optimization. So you click Optimize, and when you see OK, then the condition is fine. And you can be doing this once every week because this will help in boosting system performance, so never ignore it. After that, click Close, then OK. Again, click on Start and type this PC and click on it. Open your drive C, then look for your Windows folder, then Software Distribution folder. Here, delete the download folder. It contains temporary and unnecessary download files. When I check mine, you can see it's about 2.8 gigabytes. Yours can be even more. So I'll right click on it and click Delete to free up this space.
Again, let's go ahead and find those large files that are taking so much space on your computer. First of all, open your File Explorer and click on this PC. Now, in the search bar at the top right corner here, type size, gigantic, and press Enter. This will scan your drive for all files larger than 4 GB. Once the results show up, go through the list and delete the files you don't really need. Again, let's come to the same search bar. Then type size, semicolon, huge, and press enter. This will bring up files that are over 1 GB in size. Once the search is completed, review the files and remove the ones you no longer need. Now let's move on to the last step. First, go to your Windows search box, then type storage and click on storage settings. From there, click on temporary files. Now here, wait a moment to scan your files. After the scan is completed, you will see a list of file categories. Now here I need your full attention. You see these downloads. Please make sure you don't checkmark these downloads because this usually contains your important files you downloaded to your computer. Once that is done, you can now review the other categories and safely check options like thumbnails and delivery optimization files. Personally, I prefer to leave them since they are small in size, but if they are taking a lot of space on your computer, then I will advise you to remove them. After you are done, just click on remove files and Windows will clear them out. This simple process can save you a lot of disk space and make your computer run smoothly. So after you are through with all these steps, you can empty your recycle bin to free up more space. So this is how you can easily clean up your drive C and boost your system performance. I hope this video was helpful. Please kindly like this video and support this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.